Hi guys, this is Anugha. Today I'll be showing you this gorgeous set of gold-plated jewelry with pearls. So let's get started.
Break it.
So go ahead and get this set for yourself.
Hi guys, this is Dimple and today I'm going to show you a beautiful jewelry set which I love for its versatility. Let's get a closer look at it. I love the green droplets and the way this necklace cascades down your collarbone. It feels like a chandelier with emeralds dangling at the end. The necklace itself sits comfortably and the whole set is made of toxin-free, non-allergic material, so you don't have to worry about uncomfortable rashness after long wear. The set comes with a tikka to match the earrings, and together the set is sight to behold.
Break it.
Hope you try out this beautiful jewelry set and shine bright like an emerald.
Hi guys, this is Shravya and today I'm going to teach you how to style my favorite kundan set. This is a gold-plated set of earrings, a choker necklace and a tikka that is beautifully crafted with an intricate design. The gold plating is of premium quality, giving it a real gold appearance. The earrings are comfortable to wear while the tikka holds the entire look together. The pearl and gold combination really makes this look very versatile. But the best part about this set is that it is very lightweight, making it easy to wear throughout the day.
Break it.
This set is perfect for those last-minute wedding outfits and trust me, you won't regret it.
Hi ladies, this is Tashi. Today I'm going to show you how to style this 3-piece gold-plated set by the brand Sukkhi for 3 different occasions. So let's get started. This gorgeous set is gold-plated with diamond embellishments and the design is so incredible that it complements both traditional and western outfits. For a mehendi or sangeet function, style the tikka along with the earrings and a pair of bangles with a pretty chaniya choli and a pair of heels. Leave your hair open, draped over one shoulder and your outfit is complete. If you wish to style with a sari for formal function, tie your hair in a back bun hairstyle. Wear the earrings along with the choker necklace. You can opt to wear the tikka if you wish, but I like to skip it as the necklace makes a glamorous statement. The earrings in this set look absolutely beautiful when worn with western outfits as well. Style your hair in a low pony to one side. This allows the earrings to shine and elevate the gown. Wear a matching cocktail ring to complete the look. So go ahead and style this versatile set from Sukkhi. That's all from my side. I will see you in the next videos.
Hey guys, this is Dimple and today I'm going to show you how I style this beautiful gold-plated choker. It's a traditional query set and is incredibly gorgeous. The choker and earrings make a charming set. With pearls that hang lower than the rest of the jewelry, the dangle details really adds an extra touch of glamour. The whole necklace is embellished with red and green stones. The color combination is very royal and truly makes me feel like I can rule the world. The earrings also have green and red embellishments in addition to the pearls. Wearing this with any outfits really elevates the whole look. This is my go-to jewelry. I'm sure it will be yours too. I hope you like this video.
Hi guys, this is Tripti and today I have this beautiful jewelry set that'll make you feel like royalty. So let me show you how I style it.